All right, today I have a Jeep Grand Cherokee, and I'm going to show you how to lay the rear seats down flat so you can have more cargo space to put things inside of your Jeep Grand Cherokee. All right, I'm going to show you how to do that. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm inside of the Jeep Grand Cherokee. I'm back seat of the Jeep Grand Cherokee. You see this right here? The back seats of it, this middle row, and then there's the rear row. In order to lay these down flat, I'm going to go over that for you. All right, so what I'm going to do is to lay them down flat. A lot of people will be trying to reach for this to lay it down flat. This does not lay it down flat. It just allows access so people can get into the back seat just like that, okay? And when you're done, you put it down like that. So that is not how you lay down seats down flat. In order to lay it down flat, you'll first want to make sure that the front seats are up far enough for the middle seats to lay down flat. Now, I'm going to go ahead and lay down the middle seat by simply coming down to this lever and pulling it upwards. And you see how this folded down just like that. Pretty magic, right? And then there's the passenger side, or the other side. I'm going to walk around to it. Open the door. All right, it has the same thing right here. It has this right here for people can access the rear, but that's not what we're trying to do. We're trying to lay down the seat flat. So I'll take this lever right here, put it down flat right there. So I'm going to show you how to put it down as well as put it back up. So now you have the middle seats down flat. Now we have to get the rear down flat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the back of the vehicle, open it, right here. There's the thing right here. And so now I've opened it. Now you have the rear seats right here. In order to lay these down flat, what you'll do is you're not going to try to push them because that's not going to work in this case. What you're going to do is you're going to take this right here. You see this string right here. I'm going to pull it. Nothing happens. What's going on? You're probably asking yourself, what's going on? That's because you have to take this right here. This looks like a little door knocker thing. I'm going to take this. I'm going to pull it upwards. And when I pull it upwards, I'm just going to push this head rest folds down. And I'm just going to push it forward. And look at that. That's flat. And you do the same thing on this side right here. You did that. I'm going to show you the headrest go up. I'm going to take this. Watch the headrest go down. Boom. Pull it and then push the seat down flat. Now look at all this space that you have. You have a lot of space to put like whatever you need back in there. Now, I told you I'm going to show you how to put it back up. Well, let me show you how to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reach in here. Do you see this right here? This string, this puller. I'm going to take this, pull it back, and it locks into place. And then I raise up the headrest so the headrest is back into place. I'm going to do it for this side. Boom, just like that. Headrest. Now I'm going to go around to the middle row. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just pull up the seat just like this. Boom, back into place. Now you can adjust it by this lever. Lay it back a little bit right there. And then there's adjustment right here if you need to scoot the seat back a little bit. And that is in place. Now let's go on to the other side. Let me shut this door. And I'm going to walk over to around the other side. Now do you see this right here? Just going to go ahead and do the same thing. Just pull it back into place. Headrest. Make adjustments. Voila. And that is how you lay the rear seats and the middle seats down flat and put them back into place in a Jeep Grand Cherokee. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.